I, Rizalin Aliave, declare under the oath that I am exclusively enrolled at FTRC for the March 2026 lab and that I am not current nor have I ever been enrolled any other review centers, whether it be online or face-to-face. I fully understand and agree that any violations of these declarations will result in my immediate expulsions from FTRC without a refund. Additionally, I grant FTRC this right to publish this sign declarations along with a video of me making these declarations on its official Facebook page or any other platforms. If I breach this agreement by signing, I also waive any right under the Data Privacy Act of 2012 or any other legal protections that might prevent FTRC from publishing this declaration to the event of my violations. I confirm that I fully understand the contents and consequences of these declarations. I also state that I am signing it willingly and without being forced or pressured by anyone.